for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the pound-dollar pair and recent events during the markets. Greg?
The oil-dollar pair fell 0.3% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Thank you for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
The Federal Reserve is in focus next week as uncertainty swirls over how much the US central bank will cut interest rates at its monetary policy meeting, and the pace at which it will reduce borrowing costs in coming months. The S&P 500 index is just 1% shy of its July record high. Intel Corp has officially qualified for as much as $3.5 billion in federal grants to make semiconductors for the US Department of Defense, Bloomberg News reported, after the chip maker reached a binding agreement with US officials. Nvidia's huge stock rally is still exerting an outsized influence over the S&P 500 index, reinforcing concerns that broader markets could be hurt if the chip-making giant's fortunes turn. This year's 140% surge in shares of Nvidia has accounted for about a quarter of the S&P 500's 17% gain.
Thank you for this. Now coming up, today's major economic events.
The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT, the US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT, the Eurozone's trade balance at 9 GMT. Italy's consumer price index will be released at 8 GMT, the Eurozone's labour cost at 9 GMT, Italy's trade balance EU at 9 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.